this video is regarding NMAT. What are the topics in Quant and the strategy, mock strategy. So we do have courses for NMAT, workshop, mocks, videos. If you're interested, you can contact us. So Quant section of NMAT, 36 questions in 52 minutes. The maximum time in NMAT is 52 minutes is for the Quant section. So you will have 20 to 22 maths questions, 4 to 5 DS questions, and 8 to 12 DI questions. DI is normally a group of 4 questions each. So you need to be comfortable with a little bit calculation for DI. If you're comfortable, you can solve it fast. But yes, there are easy DI questions and tough easy DI questions. You need to be comfortable with data sufficiency. If you can know how to solve DS, you can solve it quickly. Right? Normally, maths is a little time consuming. A lot of people are not able to complete the whole paper. So you need to plan your paper accordingly. See which topics to focus on, which area you can solve, which area you cannot solve. Topics not asked in the examination is geometry. So geometry is not asked. So if you're looking at CAT and preparing for NMAT, then you can skip geometry as far as NMAT is concerned. It's not asked. What is asked are the other topics which are normally asked. I mean, number system, mainly factors, unit digit, divisibility, HCF, LCM. Average is asked, logs are asked, percentage is asked, profit loss, discount, interest, ratio, partnership, work pipe. All these are part of CAT as well. Progression, in harmonic progression is asked. So you need to look at harmonic progression as well. Probability, permutation, combination, and others like calendar pattern. So these are type of question it asks. So if you can go to these questions, type of questions, you can. It's possible to leave one off topic if you feel you're not comfortable with it. Okay, but yes, go to the paper, try to figure out the weightage of each topic, and then you can decide. I mean, when you solve the official mock, you'll have a fair idea as to what type of questions I actually asked. The strategy in the exam is identify time taken. I mean, normally what happens is you take time, more time for DI, maybe less time for DI, or more time for DS, less time. So try to find time taken for each type of question, for DI, for maths, for DS questions. Find marks per minute for each type of questions. Are you scoring more marks in mathematics or DI or DS? So you will try to focus on those areas where you get more marks per minute. Find approximately how many questions you can solve. So in a given 52 minutes, are you able to solve 25 questions or 30 questions? If you are able to solve 25 questions, that means you will guess mark the remaining 11 questions, which means you need to think about whatever difficult questions which are 11, you should try to guess mark as fast as possible. Right, without wasting time on it. A lot of people want to do is try to solve and then they guess mark, but you already wasted time on trying to solve. So try to guess mark early whatever questions are difficult. You should have a fair idea in the back of your mind as to how many questions are going to leave, and based on that, keep guess marking those questions. Plan your paper well. Important to plan your paper. You should know how much time you will be there in each time frame. So that means if it's 52 minutes, break it up into 4 parts of 13, 13, 13, 13. In the first 13 minutes, you need to be in which question number, right? So 36 questions, that means in first 13 minutes, you should be around 9 questions. In then next 13 minutes, like 26 minutes, you should be around 18 questions and so on. So you should know how to pace yourself in a paper. If you're behind that, then you need to leave more questions, because remember, you should go to the end of the paper till you finish the paper. The best thing is you can just finish the paper in a given time frame. So if you usually can solve 30 questions, let's say, so you would plan to leave around 4 to 6 difficult questions. So guess mark. I mean, you look at a difficult question and leave your questions. So every 9 questions you can leave 1 question. So if you're going to leave 4 to 6 questions, so every 9 questions you solve, you can leave 1 question. So in the end, you will end up leaving 4 questions approximately, right? Also, you can decide on topic. There could be also a few topics which you may find it very difficult to solve. One of topics. So if you're only going to solve 22, 24 questions and going to mark the remaining questions, then you can focus your preparation on a few topics and try to be good at it so you can prepare them well, right? So plan. Strategy only works when you keep on trying to solve in the mocks and implement in the mocks. That's where it hits, right? Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to NMAT preparation. All the best.